Here at Truck Defender, we manufacture a truck bumper unique in the industry. It is 6 times stronger than any other aluminum bumper, and it has the industry's only lifetime warranty on craftsmanship. And our goal is to see that you protect your investment, yourself, your passengers, your truck, and your cargo, all at the lowest possible cost. And with our lightweight aluminum bumper, you can carry a larger and heavier load without risking your investment or your safety. For business use, this translates into a lower per mile cost and increased revenue per load over competing bumper manufacturers. Truck Defender features an entire line of bumpers and accessories for any make or model of truck, and we can customize one for you as well. You have the choice of a polished, black powdered, or brushed finish. And we're proud of the quality of our work and our reputation, and we're proud of our dealer network that can provide you local service. Your bumper installation is easy and no drilling is required. Call a Truck Defender dealer nearest you and we'll get you started today.